Wait. But you say, okay, so you say that because I saw that video, by the way, and I was eye racing because it's such a, I think it's a difference of perspective, I think. Because you say that your channel cost you, or you guys, right? Your companies, cost you $150,000 or something, 130, I don't remember how's the exact number, right? And then I'm looking at my channel and going like, well, my channel didn't cost me nothing. But that's not true because there's expenses that are related to it, right? But then I'm like, okay, the expenses plus the profits that it created through sales on my company, well, those super pass the expenses. So my channel made me money.
Of course.
So
otherwise you wouldn't be in business, right?
Yes, exactly. So it's the same thing with you, right? I know you said it took this much money to run your channel, but it generated a profit because there are some sales that you can directly attribute to the marketing.
Yeah, absolutely. Channel, right? So that's I think I can rephrase that a little bit. So what we spent on the channel was, I think, 120, 130-ish, can't recall now. But what we generated from ads, which is the way a traditional YouTuber would make money, right? So it's ads and sponsors.
AdSense.
Yeah, so we made maybe $50,000, $60,000 from AdSense. And we made a few other thousand, maybe let's round it up to 100, including our sponsors, which sponsor the occasional video. So that's not enough. We overspent.
So even though your videos are an advert for your service, for your company, you still will sprinkle some other sponsor in there.
I'll get to that in a sec, but
okay, all right.
But so we overspent 20, and this year we'll probably overspend 50 or 100 compared to what we make from ads. So that's the advantage that we have as a YouTube channel, which is we can we can invest 100K extra more than what the channel makes from ads. Why? Because we're making much more than that because people are converting to our products through the channel.